part.
Which part?
This part.
Which part?
This. Oh.
Which part?
This part.
Where?
This part.
Which part?
This part.
This one?
This part.
So what would you say about driving this part, Grace?
Scary. Ah!
It's fine.
No, it's not. A road should not. Ah! No! 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 Hey!
Somebody's door is open.
No, it's my seatbelt.
Oh.
Not a child. No!
No first tracks down there.
There comes the mud.
This is the mother of all holes here.
Here we go. Oh, that was easy though.
That wasn't bad at all. Sucker's crushed now.
Why did you do that?
Really?
Yeah, really.
I used to walk this road all the way out here, trimming all these trees back and stuff, and we tipped over like this on the bottom and right back in the woods.
Whoa, really? Whoa!
Can't do that now.
Really?
You wouldn't get one tree cut and it'd fall down.
You'd be covered in snow.
Sounds like
You'd be
a
covered in snow.
project.
A project?
Oh, yeah.
It's a lot of work.
Oh, no.
Grandpa used to do a lot. Lots. Well, always has done a lot of stuff up here.
Never did enough though, that's the only thing.
Yeah, but you're one person.
This was just like a little tunnel here, isn't it?
Yeah,
It was
kind
even
of.
worse than that this morning, right?
Yeah. I hate holes. 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 I hate holes.
Here's a big puddle.
No.
Hey, what?
The holes. She doesn't like the puddles.
I hate holes. I hate holes. I hate puddles.
Where's their hole? I haven't seen one yet.
Oh. We've gone and like 20 of them. Wait, no. If I'm being honest, it's only been like 12.